Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm here to share a quick and easy tutorial on how to remove background color from copied text in Microsoft Word. Let's jump right into it. So, you've copied some text from Google or any other source, but it comes with an annoying background color. No worries, we'll fix it in a jiffy. First things first, select the text with the unwanted background color. Next, ensure that there's no color selected. Simply go to the top menu and double-check. Now, head over to the Design tab. Under Design, click on Page Borders. Here's where the magic happens. Go to Shading. Make sure that no color is selected. Now, this part is crucial. Ensure that the paragraph is set to text. And there you have it. The background color should be gone. Sometimes, even after following these steps, the background color might stubbornly remain. No worries. Here's a quick trick: simply press Ctrl and space together. Voila! The background color disappears like magic. And there you have it, folks. Removing background color from copied text in Word is as easy as pie. Now you can enjoy clean and distraction-free documents every time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more handy tips. Until next time, happy editing!